Hello guys, we are here for another video. Yeah, surprise surprise. You know, it was supposed for these videos to come out really faster than I thought it would, but a couple of projects appeared and one of them you can actually see it. I'm directing a music video with Patrick. The link to the music video will be in the description of my next video after this one, because when this video get posted the music video is not ready yet, but it's really cool. So that's why this video got delayed, by the way. And my family were here in the past weekend, so yeah. So today we are cutting people's garden. Really exciting. Yeah, after a big adventure in the last video, after a big giant journey full of ups and downs, today we are going for a more simplistic way, and after this video we are back to the more complex way, at least more fun way, I hope. But yeah, so here we go. We are cutting people's garden. Andre will help us with today's goal. It's really cool from him. It's not the first time that he does it. He did on this video here because he's awesome as fuck. By the way, there's a cat outside. It's not the first time that this cat appears here, which is really cool. Literally a few days ago he actually entered our house because like I opened the door and he's like, look at me. He walks slowly and I like put my hand like this and he went for it. And then we create a certain relationship, you know. It was really cool, like, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I think I just love animals. So like when I have that, like, these little connection moments like with them, it just feels amazing. My heart is like, ah. But yeah, so today, cutting people's garden, make money. We have this menu right here. The big goal for this, for those who don't know, we have 30 days to live. No. We have 30 days to make the most amount of money that we can. And we have 5 adventures. We have to meet 5 budgets of each of those adventures. The budget will increase with each adventure, and the adventure will be revealed when the budget is met by us. And today is day. Let's bet. How much money do you think we're gonna make? Let's find out in 3, 2, 1. Estou nervoso.
Gostei.
Obrigado, mano. First house.
Não pensa no dinheiro que eles não te vão dar.
Só uma cena, esquecemos de rever o pitch. Antes de ir, é lawn mowing. I'm offering. What the hell am I offering, bro? I'm offering.
Offering your services.
I'm offering my services as £5, bro. É isso, mano, £5. I'm offering services as a like lawn mowing for like £5. So would you like me to cut your grass? Okay, thank you so much. Anyways, first house was a success. Vamos à segunda. Hello. I'm offering services as lawn mower from like your front yard for like £5. Would you like me to like cut your grass for like £5 or something?
No, thank you, Mark.
Okay, thank you so much. I need to work on this pitch, bro.
It's so bad.
Eu quero poder fugir, bro. Well. This one has to work. It will work. Hello, I'm cutting lawn, the front yard of people.
Oh no, thank you, it's all been done.
Jesus, man, I just died there. O meu inglês começou tipo, mano, esqueci-me das palavras, mano. Eu comecei a eu estava com o tempo para não rir de mim próprio, mano. Que f***, bro. Thank you, bro. Ok. Next houses. Eu tenho que treinar no pitch, o que é que eu posso dizer? I'm cutting front lawns from people. Would you like for me to cut yours? It's not very good, right? Bro, give me some tips. You're not nervous. Sorri a cenar?
Yes.
Lawn mowing.
Lawn mowing. É muito mono aqui.
Okay, I can do this. I believe in myself.
You can't do this, just give up.
Thanks, bro. Hello. I'm cutting front lawns.
My neighbour does it for me.
Oh, your neighbor does it.
So
That's alright.
anyway.
Thank you. Have a nice day. She was very nice though. This is so exciting. Come on, just come here, say hello, try again.
Fucked up, bro. Fucked up.
Sorry, I'm cutting the front people's yards of people. Would you like me to cut yours for like £5 or something?
It's not mine.
It's not yours?
Councils, because it's the lamppost, I don't own it.
Oh well, thank you anyways.
You choose the wrong country to do this. Aquilo não precisa de cortar relvas, mano. Aquilo precisa de uma pá.
Thanks, bro. Hello? Is your parents? Can I speak with them? Oh my god. Hello, is your parents there?
Oh no, it's their parents.
Oh, okay.
Daniel, hurry up!
Hello, sorry.
It's okay.
I'm cutting front people's lawns. Would you like me to cut yours?
Oh, but the council usually come to do that.
I mean, I can do it for like £3.
Oh,
I'm just trying to make a little money and serve a little bit the community, you know?
Oh, bless you. Not really, but I could give you the £3, but I'm sure the council will come around to cut it.
Oh, thank you so much. I would really appreciate that.
Don't worry for the. Just give me a minute.
Oh, thank you so much. She was so nice. What the f?
What's gonna happen?
She's gonna give me the money because the council does the work.
Probably give it to the next person.
So, if you had wanted to cut the grass, what would you have used?
I have
The
the thing in my house.
Anyways,
Oh my god, thank you so much. I really appreciate this. What's your name?
Lara?
Lara?
Yes.
My name is Thiago. Really nice to meet you.
It's okay.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye. Oh my god, bro.
Some vibes.
Man, £5, bro.
That's tough.
Jesus. I'm so happy. That's half of 10. So we almost made our goal.
It was a good day then.
Honestly, it was. She was so nice. My heart is melting right now. Hello. I'm cutting front people's lawns. Would you like me to cut yours for like £3 or something?
To cut
The grass, yeah, for like £3.
Yeah, go ahead then.
Can I come later today?
Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you so much.
Where are you from?
I'm from Portugal. Where are you from?
Bulgarian.
Bulgaria. So nice. What's your name?
Ilya.
Ilya. My name is Thiago. Really nice to meet you.
No problem.
See you
Just tell me
soon.
when you finish.
Okay. Thank you.
Dude, one
Nice, bro.
likes to the
But
wind, bro.
this street is full of nice people. I'm scared now. Hello, I'm cutting the front yard from people.
Oh, it's fine. I can do it myself.
So now we are going to Nicola's new job. It's a cafe.
I don't know if you will find it.
You don't know? There's only one cafe there, I think.
Yeah. And
I think
can
that's-
see on Snap.
Just stalking her
Yeah,
on the snap. But yeah, so
Oh,
you guys.
someone's doing your work for you.
Oh my god. I mean, I can't keep going for like £3. So yeah, see you guys there.
Why did you steal my coffee though? Oh no.
This loan is asking for some help, and I came here to help people.
No, I've got somebody that does that.
I do it myself.
Okay, this is the last one, and then we come back. Hello, I'm cutting the front people's yard and making a video about it. Would you like me to cut your front yard? I don't ask for any money, so you don't only give the money if you like the job.
I don't understand good English.
Oh, that's all right.
I talk my girl.
That's okay.
is coming.
That's okay.
Okay.
Let's go. Hello, I'm cutting people's front yard, and I don't ask for any money. You only give money if you like the job when it's finished.
So you just cut the grass and leave it in here, basically?
Yeah, and what do you think? I can come back like later today, and you tell me what you think in the end.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. After you done a cutting, can you just put it in a place and leave it there so we can just get it out from there, like?
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much.
Don't
Yeah.
worry.
See you soon then.
Okay then.
Thank you. Let's go. Let's go. That's why I have to keep going, guys. You eventually will, you know. I feel confident now. So yeah, guys, this was the last one. So we finished pretty good.
Yeah,
Like
it was alright.
the thing is, it's kind of being late now. Let's go home and bring the grass cutter here.
Jesus Christ.
We can do this, bro. Okay, so guys, now we are going to the only two people that actually agreed to do this. So Here we go, guys.
Time for music montage.
Let's go! People are looking at us. Still not improving. That's the house. Imagine, like, they are not here.
Yeah, that's a possibility.
Hey.
Disseste que horas voltamos?
No. I only said like later today. Hey. The laughing, bro. I'm gonna try one last time. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Damn. We lost, bro. For this man. The walk of defeat. Okay. It's not, we don't have time. Yeah, man. So guys.
Find your words, bro. Find your words. Just breathe. Just breathe.
Music montage again. Let's go. Hey, hello. So I came to cut the grass.
Oh, really?
I couldn't come yesterday.
You were home yesterday.
Yeah, but it was dark already when we got
I
out.
know, but I was thinking to this how he's gonna do it. I told him yesterday when he called this house, we rent this house. So
Yeah.
in every year.
I'm kind of sad though.
Dá beijinho na câmera.
Mwah! Okay. Last chance, guys. Come on. Nah. It appears that today will not be a successful day. Yeah. We gotta go, guys. It is start raining. It's okay, guys. We keep strong. Let's go home. I was about to say that I feel lost, but I don't feel defeated, guys. I never feel defeated, guys. Because we don't stop. If we fail, we keep going, guys. It doesn't matter how many times we fail. It just matters.
You need to put some uplifting song now.
It just matters how many times we get up, guys. So let's go, guys. Tomorrow will be another day. Tomorrow we'll make more money. Let's go!
And then he died.